Welcome to 5th grade at Glendale Elementary. In 5th grade, we have general expectations that center around the cares: cooperation, assertion, responsibility, empathy, and self-control. We also use the responsive classroom philosophy in 5th grade, which centers around cooperative games and activities, classroom-generated rules, respectful, responsible, and safe choices. And if that doesn't happen, then we instill take a break, logical consequences, or apology of action to help students with their choices.
In language arts, we follow the balanced literacy approach, which includes Reader's Workshop, Writer's Workshop, and word work. In Reader's Workshop, we want to get books in the kids' hands. We read in small groups, as well as reading independently at books at your child's level. In Writer's Workshop, we have several published pieces that we work on throughout the year, including our Wolfridge book, research of a historian or scientist, as well as persuasive essays and friendly letters. In word work, we focus on spelling and vocabulary, including areas like prefixes and suffixes, as well as Greek and Latin roots.
Our 5th grade math curriculum is called Math Expressions. In Math Expressions, we teach a variety of concepts, including just basic math concepts, algebra, geometry, and statistics. With math concepts, we focus on short and long multiplication, short and long division, fractions and decimals, and more. In geometry, we focus on area and perimeter, volume and surface area, and mastering the concepts and the characteristics of different polygons. With statistics, we make sure the students master all the math landmarks. Those include the mean, the median, the mode, the range, the maximum, and minimum. When we teach algebra, we teach students order of operations, exponents and square roots, variables, and some basic pre-algebra in the spring. Our math learning then is all broken up into 2 different groups on our report card. With computation, that will be all of their math skills that they have mastered, and concept shows their mastery of the new concepts taught during the school day.
In science, we use the National Geographic curriculum. The curriculum is broken up into 3 areas: earth science, life science, and physical science. Some highlights of earth science include the studying of rocks and minerals, the water cycle and how it's connected with weather, as well as the protection of Earth's resources. In life science, we classify living things, we study the interaction in ecosystem as well as how energy moves throughout it, and animal adaptations. The third area in science that we cover is physical science, in which our focus is on force and the laws of motion and simple machines. In addition to our National Geographic curriculum, we also study engineering and environmental education using outside resources like the Works Museum and Three Rivers Parks. One highlight is our October 1st E-STEM Day. We're looking forward to an outstanding day.
Social Studies Weekly is the new curriculum to the elementaries this year. Instead of a text, there will be a weekly newspaper where students' studies will center around the development of colonial America.
Homework expectations in 5th grade will be roughly 50 minutes a night. For math, homework and remembering pages in a packet will be coming home almost every day. In language arts, we're expecting students to read 20 to 30 minutes each night, as well as various different writing assignments and projects. In science, you might see some bimals coming home, and in social studies, there'll be a variety of different activities. To match and watch your child's homework, every day in the classroom, we write these assignments with the students in their planners. All of the homework can also be found on our classroom Schoology pages so parents can follow along, and it should match what is in the student's planner.
Parent support is a vital part of the success of the 5th grade school year. We've got a lot of different opportunities where we would love volunteers. One big area is our Colonial Craft Day, which will take place right before the winter break in December. Another is the all-school Valentine's Party in February. Each classroom may have some other special projects that we'll make you aware of throughout the year. We are always looking for volunteers at our PTC events and our dogs events throughout the year. Our very first one is our PTC Back to School Night on September 26th. We'll see you there.
Fantastic field trips in 5th grade include our wonderful week at Wolf Ridge, which will be in November, the Landing in December, Highland Hills skiing in January, as well as Biztown in January, Fort Snelling in May, and watch for further details that will be coming home with your child.
Communication between home and school is important for a positive 5th grade school experience. There are many ways that we will communicate throughout the school year, including our district and school websites, our district and Glendale email listservs, and our daily updated classroom Schoology pages. Look for your child to bring mail home on Mondays, and also look for weekly or bi-weekly email communication from your teacher about special and upcoming events. Students will fill out their planners on a daily basis, and these planners will match exactly what is in the homework section of our classroom Schoology pages. If you need to reach us, the best way to do so would be via email or by phone between 8 a.m. and 9 a.m. in the morning prior to student arrival, or from 3 to 4 p.m. while the students are at specialists. Please let us know how we can assist in a positive school experience.
Fall conferences this year will be aligned with the end of our first quarter. Fall conferences will be taking place on Tuesday, November 18th in the afternoon from 4:30 to 8:30, Thursday, November 20th from 4:30 to 6:30, and Monday, November 24th from 4:30 to 8:30. A sign-up will be available through Infinite Campus closer to the fall conference events. In 5th grade, we do encourage the students to attend these conferences to make the communication between student, home, and teachers a successful one. Our goal as a 5th grade team is to make this the most memorable and successful year for the students last year in elementary school, as well as prepare them for middle school to make it an easy and safe and successful transition. We're excited to get this school year started, and we're happy to have the students here with us every day.